Looking to add depth, space, and movement to your tracks? Ableton Live's delay effect is a versatile tool offering two independent delay lines for stereo control and a range of creative possibilities. Sync your delay time to the song's tempo for beat-based delays, or disable sync to set delay times manually in milliseconds. Use the stereo link feature to apply the same settings to both channels, or unlink for independent control of the left and right channels. Take advantage of feedback to create repeats, and hit freeze to lock audio in the delay buffer for endless cycling effects. For precise shaping, activate the bandpass filter and use the XY controller to adjust bandwidth and frequency, or enable the LFO for dynamic modulation of delay time and filter settings. Switch between three transition modes: repitch for tape-like pitch shifts, fade for smooth transitions, and jump for sharp, immediate changes. Activate Ping Pong mode to bounce the delay between the left and right channels, adding movement to your mix. Get creative with effects. Craft glitchy textures by setting high feedback and longer delay times, or use subtle settings for a chorus-like spread by offsetting left and right delays. Adjust the dry-wet control to blend the processed signal perfectly with the original. Ready to unlock new dimensions in your music? Comment Ableton below and we'll DM you a link to free Ableton tools and resources to explore this powerful effect.